We could simulate an ATM robbery. You're at an ATM and you're being robbed. Kenya's top shooters, I can tell you, are at that level.
Eyes of the ears, everybody.
So this is the kill zone. Alpha, what's the best score you get? It's 5 points. Charlie is 3 points. Delta is 1 point. And anything beyond the perforated line is a miss, or we call it a mic. So everyone strives to shoot there in the fastest time possible.
We have a huge entry of more than 160 people. A big number from the defense forces. Of course, shooting is their business. We have all the top civilians coming, and of course a few people who are not as experienced. So it's generally the biggest shooting event in Kenya so far in terms of IPSC.